Today I'll be reviewing Violite's UV Cell Phone Sanitizer, which retails for $39.95 on Violite.com. I'd like to thank Violite for kindly sending this out free of charge for review. So starting off, this product can clean devices such as smartphones, normal cell phones, PDAs, MP3 players, earbuds, and Bluetooth headsets. So this product retails for $39.95 as I mentioned on Violite.com. And this product features germicidal UV light that eliminates 99% of germs and bacteria in your devices. And this product is designed for flat phones and PDAs, and it's not meant for flip phones or slider phones. And you can purchase a 2-year warranty for only $8.95 on Violite.com. So just starting into this, I'll be testing this on my iPod Touch today. I've had this for about a week of testing it on my numerous devices. So just to start this process, you want to place your device in the UV chamber. This is this part right here. It's kind of like a little tub, metal tub, where you can place your device in. On the bottom you have your two UV kind of sensors that will clean your device. So just putting this little tray in the Violite cleaner itself, and then you can take your device. I'm doing this on my iPod Touch, so we'll just put that right in. And here you can see that there's a sensor. This will show you if your device is being cleaned, and it will automatically turn off after about 5 minutes of use. This UV light will shut off and your device is sanitized. So here's the Violite logo. Turning over to the side, you just have an area where the tub is kind of, and there's the back. And on the bottom you have an area for 3 AA batteries to power this device. So now that your device is in, you will close the lid and it will start sanitizing your device. And this pulsing blue light lets you know that your device is being cleaned, and after 5 minutes this will automatically shut down and your device is sanitized. So I'm not going to do the full process, but I've used this numerous times on my iPod Touch and other devices, and it's worked pretty well. I obviously can't check to make sure that it cleans off all the germs, but for the most part I think it's done a good job, because I can actually smell like kind of the UV kind of damp smell, but obviously you can't smell that through YouTube, maybe someday. But it won't like clean off the fingerprints on your devices, because it's not like a water kind of solvent kind of cleaning. It's just kind of it just uses the UV light to clean your device, and that's what counts. It does a very nice job from what I can see, and it's good to keep your devices clean to prevent the spread of germs. And I'm guessing this device does a very good job. I'm obviously not a doctor, and I can't determine whether it cleans off the 99% of your device's germs on there. But from what I can see, this has worked great on my devices such as my iPod Touch, my earphones, and some other tech devices I have. So from what I can determine, this product gets a 9 out of 10 for me. The only con I could find is when you see the lid here and you have nothing inside, and if you just want to close the lid for storage like so, the device will just turn on automatically. There's no on-off button, and it will just drain your this device's battery. So that's one feature I'd like to see implemented in a future revision of this product. But as far as that goes, this device gets a 9 out of 10 for me, just because there's no on-off button. But this is a great device. It's the Violite UV Cell Phone Sanitizer from Violite.com. It retails for $39.95, and you can check out this product on Violite.com if you're interested. Thanks for watching this video, guys. This has been Colton1098 with a review of Violite's UV Cell Phone Sanitizer, which can be found on Violite.com. Thanks for watching this review. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and remember to check out this product if you're interested in Violite.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.